Now let's see the alphabets. Now today we will see alphabets. You can see these alphabets. Okay, I will share you the PPT with you. Wait. Admit.
Ma'am, we want to write with pen, not pencil.
Now, for now, you don't have to write anything. You can keep your books closed now. Okay, I'll tell you. Okay, are you able to see the screen slide?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you,
Yes,
thank you.
ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Now you can mute your mic. Okay, this alphabets is in lesson 1 chapter. Okay, at first we are having lesson 0 that I will take. Okay, first we'll learn alphabets and we'll go back. Okay, so we'll start with the alphabets. For alphabets, we say in French l'alphabet. Alphabet. Okay.
Alphabet.
This is an article. This is an article that we will see. L apostrophe. L is an article that we will see, discuss when we start the grammar part. Just learn the name. That is alphabet.
Alphabet.
Yes. Alphabet means what?
Alphabet.
Yes. Alphabet means alphabets.
Alphabet.
Okay. So
Sorry,
the
ma'am,
first.
I'm late.
That's fine. That's fine. Okay. So
Ma'am,
the first.
shall we write this in the
No, you
notebook?
don't have to write. Please see, don't have to write anything.
Ma'am, what will we call in lesson in French?
Okay, I will tell. For lesson, we'll say lesson. Lesson. Okay, and lesson 1. 1 in French is un. So this is lesson un. Yes, right. Lesson un. Right.
Lesson
Keep your mic muted. Okay, it is not lesson. In French, mostly the last letter will be silent, especially if your word is ending. Yes, please keep your mic muted. Especially when you're. Who's that? Please keep your mic muted. Please keep your mic muted. I can hear someone's voice. You told. Okay. So in French, mostly still, please mute yourself. Okay, so lesson, mostly in French, the last alphabet will be silent, especially if your word is ending with a consonant letter. If your word is ending with a consonant letter, then that last letter, consonant letter will be silent. Here, we have the word lesson. Lesson is here, and see N. This is ending with N. N is a consonant letter. N is a consonant letter?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, N is a consonant letter. Let me ask you, what are consonant letters? What are consonant letters?
A-E-I-O-N.
A-E-I-O-U? That's a consonant letter?
A-E-I-O-U.
That's consonant letters?
No, ma'am. That's vowel.
That's vowel letters. Okay, alphabets we can divide into 2, consonant letters and vowel letters. Please wait. Everyone keep your cameras on. Anubama, Ivaros,
Consonants are
Virat,
words.
please wait. Please
Ma'am,
wait.
I told the consonants are A-E-I-O-U, left every
Yes.
are consonants.
Okay, Rohit. Okay. So, other than vowels, the remaining letters are consonant letters. Okay. So, even in French, if your word is ending with a consonant letter, then that letter will be silent. Remember, yesterday in the last class, we learned bonjour, right? We learned bonjour, B-O-N-J-O-U-R. Here, the last letter is R. Is this a consonant or vowel letter?
Consonant letter.
It's a consonant letter. That is why when we pronounced bonjour, we didn't pronounce this sound, right? R was silent there. Yes, R was silent there. Bonjour. Now we saw another word, lesson. Yes. Now we saw today another word, lesson. Lecon. Lesson. Here also the last letter is N, and that is a consonant letter. That is a consonant letter. Here also we will not pronounce the last letter N. So it is lesson. Okay. Okay.
Ma'am, the Jamapel, that is a vowel.
Ramapal.
Yes, je m'appelle word, that one was a vowel one, so we can, there's no issue with pronouncing that sound. Okay, now let's see the alphabets. So for alphabets, in French, we'll say l'alphabet. L'alphabet.
L'alphabet.
Yes, L apostrophe Alphabet. Okay, l'alphabet.
L'alphabet.
Yes.
Leçon 1.
Yes. See here, the last letter is in alphabet is what? The last letter in the word alphabet?
T.
T. This, yes, it is
Consonant.
T, and that is also a
Consonant
consonant letter.
letter.
Yes, that is why we are not saying alphabet. Instead, we are saying alphabet. We are not pronouncing that T. Got it? Now onwards, when you try to read in French, see if your word is ending with the consonant letter, then don't pronounce that letter.
Ma'am,
Yes. Yes.
alphabet or l'alphabet?
L'alphabet. Without this article L apostrophe, that will be alphabet. When we read it along with the article L apostrophe, then it will be l'alphabet.
L'alphabet.
L'alphabet. That is article. In English also we have definite article, indefinite article, right? Like that. This is an article that we will discuss when we start the grammar part. Okay? Okay. So let's start with the alphabets. First one is alphabet A, and the pronunciation is A. A.
Ah.
Yes, right.
Ah.
Yes. Okay. Now next is alphabet B, and the pronunciation is Bay.
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 Right. Next is alphabet C.
Say.
Yes, it is
Say.
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 Okay, good.
Say.
Next one.
Bay.
Okay. Okay, keep. Please mute your mic. See, otherwise, no, everyone won't be able to hear what I am telling. They will hear what you are telling, and they will see that that will be correct one. Okay, so please keep your mic mute, and then you can practice over there. Okay, so next alphabet is D, and the pronunciation is day. Day. Where here for D alphabet sound is day, and it is not day. It is not plosive sound. The sound for D is a soft one. When you read the word They in English. They in English, how will you read? They. So same pronunciation, they. Then next one is alphabet E, and the sound is U. U. You can see my lips, everyone? U. Okay. You can practice over there. Later, I will give chance to everyone to read this. Okay. So practice over there. Then next one is alphabet F, and it is same as in English. Same pronunciation. Okay. F. Same. No change. Then next alphabet is G. That is J. 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 G pronunciation is J. Then next one is alphabet H. Alphabet H is Ash. Ash. Keep on practicing over there. Ash. Yes. Then next one is alphabet I. Alphabet I pronunciation is E. E. Let's start from the beginning. A, be, se, de, U, F, J, Ush. E. Okay. The next alphabet is J and pronunciation in French is G. G. Yes, it is not G, it is G. Remember when we learned the word bonjour, we learned a sound, that sound. Okay, G. The next is alphabet K and the pronunciation is Ka. Ka. Henry, okay, practice. Ka. Then next is L. L, M, N, O is same as in English. Same pronunciation, okay? L, M, N, O, no change. Then next one is letter P, that is pay. Pay. Okay, let's start with I again.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, ask.
Ma'am, in English there is A to Z. In the French A to P only have.
No. We have till Z. Okay, we have all the letters as in
Ma'am,
English.
in the
From
book is there Z.
Yeah, from starting from A to Z, we have all these letters. Okay, so so alphabet I pronunciation. Let's start again with I. E, G, K, L, M, N, O. Then next one, pay. Okay, okay. Let's move to the next slide. Okay, okay. Can you see next slide?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so next alphabet is Q and the pronunciation
Yes,
is Ku. Ku. Yes, Ku. Then next is air. Next alphabet R is air.
I cannot see.
You are not able to see everyone?
We can see.
I can see. Can see the in the book
My
and the
connection
Might be,
gone.
yes, because of the network issue. Okay, so
in the book
continue.
and the board I can see, ma'am.
Yeah.
What is cuckoo?
Q pronunciation is Ku.
Coo.
Pronunciation is Ku.
Coo.
Yes. See, this alphabets you can find in your textbook, those who have textbook. It is in page number 19. Page number 19. Lesson 1, page 19.
Ma'am,
Yes, page number 19. Page number 19. Okay, so continue. Let's continue. Q is Q is Ku. Ku. Then R pronunciation is air. 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 Okay, the next one S.
Air.
S is same as in English. Okay, no change. S. S. The
Yes.
next one is T. T is Te.
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 It is not Te. We don't want the plosive sound. Soft sound. Te.
Te.
Te. Okay.
Te.
Next is U. U pronunciation is U.
You.
U. Yes.
You.
You can see one there in the bracket when they give the sound. You see, they started with E sound. Okay, I sound.
You.
Yes, right. The next, right. Next alphabet
Way.
V and the pronunciation is way.
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 Yes, right.
Way.
Please keep your mic muted.
M.
Way.
O.
Please keep your mic muted.
We can't hear you.
Please keep your mic muted. Okay. V is way. Way. The next alphabet is W and the pronunciation is W. 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 Practice. W. Okay. The next one.
W.
Yes. Next alphabet is X and the pronunciation is X. X.
Way.
X. Right. X. Okay. The next one Y. Y is Y. Y is not egret. Y. Y. Okay. The next one is alphabet Z and it is Z. 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 Okay, let's start with Q again. Let's start with alphabet Q again. Q, air, not array. Please pause, everyone. It is not array. It is air. Okay, air. It is not air. It is air. Air. Okay. It is not AIR, air pronunciation. It is air. Okay. Yes. Please keep your mics muted, everyone. Please. Okay. The next alphabet is S. Te. EU. Way. W. X. Y. Z. Okay. Good. Now let's.
one doubt.
Yes.
I mean, the textbook there is you, but in that you was not there.
You. Yeah, we told you also. We told you. Okay, you we told. Jaswin, Chris, Mohammed, please switch on your cameras. Jaswin, Mohammed.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Gauri.
W we call what, ma'am?
W pronunciation is W.
W. Okay, ma'am.
W. Okay. Okay. Nihal. Nihal, can you start reading the alphabets? Nihal, I am not able to hear you. Yeah, can you say, Nihal? Let me check. Nihal, I am not able to hear your audio. Please check your audio, Nihal. I will come back to you. Okay. Henry, can you read? Okay, Henry, please wait. Ail, Amiel, Parvati, keep your cameras on. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Okay, Henry, you can start reading. Henry, please switch on your, unmute your mic. Do you have a textbook with you? Yes, you have that. Okay, get ready with your textbook.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am, I will take the.
Yes, Henry, take your time. Okay, next person, Devdarshan. Devdarshan, unmute. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Read the alphabets, pronunciation. Start. You don't have textbook, Devdarsh?
No, ma'am, I'm in my father's house.
Okay, fine. I will share you the screen. I will share screen for you. Those who don't have textbook, I will share the screen. Okay, don't worry. Devdarsh, you can now read this. Yes. Be.
Se,
Right.
de,
Right. See my lips here? Yes. You have to push out air from your throat. Push out the air out. Okay. Yes. Then next.
ya,
F. Yes. After that.
j,
J. Yes. Next, Henry will continue. Henry, continue from next alphabet.
Which alphabet?
H. Start with H. Yes. Ash. After that. G. 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 Then right. Yes. Right. 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 Next is pay. Pay.
Pay.
Okay. Okay, Henry. Thank you. Next person, Arfan. Arfan, continue with the next alphabet.
Ma'am, my net is going. 1 minute, okay, ma'am.
Okay, sure. Then Muhammad Sinan. Muhammad Sinan. Okay, I think he's having network issue. Gauri Nanda. Okay, Muhammad, can you say?
Can I say?
Yeah. Start with Q. Not able to connect
Ma'am,
with.
can I say aisle?
Who is that?
Aisle.
Yes, Ail, you can.
Q,
Yes.
R,
Yes.
S,
Right.
T,
Right. Te.
T,
Yes.
U,
Right. Right.
V,
Right.
W,
W. You have to stretch a little bit. W.
W,
Hmm?
X,
X.
X,
Right.
Y,
Right.
Z,
Z.
Z.
Okay. Anne Maria. Anne Maria.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Start with A. Alphabet A.
A,
Right.
B,
Right.
C,
Right.
D,
Right.
O,
U.
U, F,
Right.
J,
Right.
H,
Very good. Enough. Next is Dia Manoj Kumar. Dia.
ma'am.
Start.
E,
Right.
G,
Right.
K,
Right.
L,
Right.
M, N,
Right.
O,
Right.
P.
Pay. Right. Enough. Good. Then next, Annabelle.
Ma'am, I'll join later because of a net problem.
Okay. Got it.
Can you hear me?
Annabelle, you can.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am, can you hear
I'll
me?
join later because
I
of the net
can hear you.
problem.
I can hear you.
Ma'am,
I
can
got
you-
it. I got it. Okay. Please mute your mics. Yes. I asked. Who to read this.
Ma'am, I cannot mute.
Who is that person?
Arfan.
Harshwan. Wait.
Arfan.
Arfan. Okay. Yeah, I muted you. No, even I am also not able to mute you. It's fine. You keep muted. Okay, don't say something. Then next person who is having textbook. Okay. Rohit, do you have textbook with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you can start reading.
I'm with Q, right?
Yes.
Who?
Hmm?
R,
Air.
R,
Air.
L,
Yes. Air. See, we'll not say R. No, we don't want that R sound. It is air.
R,
Yes, good. Then
G,
S. Same. See, after S is same as in English. Okay. S.
S,
Hmm?
T,
Right. After that, EU.
U,
EU.
U,
Yes, right. Then
Ma'am, my sister is with me in her class, so some disturbance will be there.
Okay, fine. Okay, Rohit, you can mute and listen. Okay, listen and practice the sounds. Okay, next is Jaswin. Jaswin, continue.
We
Way.
were do
Yes, right. W.
X
X. X.
Y
Y.
Z Z
Z. Can you start again with alphabet V?
V
Way. Yes.
W
Right.
X
Very good.
Y
Yes.
Z.
Okay, good. Next is Parvati. Parvati, start from the beginning. Parvati.
Can I read?
Parvati is stuck. Yes, Adidev. You
Can I
can read.
read?
Yes, Adidev, you can read.
A,
Yes.
P,
Hmm.
C,
Right.
T,
They.
F,
Hmm. Not it is
U,
Yes.
U,
Right.
F,
Right.
J,
Right. Enough. Very good. Then next, Anselin.
I don't have the textbook.
You don't have? Okay, I will share. Wait.
Ma'am, next I have.
Yes, Anselin, you can now.
Ma'am, from H
Yes, start from there.
H
Ash.
H
Hmm.
A
E.
E
Hmm.
G
Re. Yes.
K
Right.
L
Right.
M
Hmm.
N
Right.
O
Right.
P
Right. Very good. Enough. Next, who will read? Viraj. Viraj. Viraj, are you there? Viraj. Why your camera was off? Viraj, unmute yourself. Unmute yourself, Viraj. Yes. Unmute. Yes. Why your camera was off?
No, ma'am.
What no, ma'am? Your camera was on? Ah, I can now, and now I can see you. Earlier I couldn't. Okay. Your camera was off. Yes. Start with Q.
Q
Q.
Q
Then.
R
Air.
A
Air.
S
Air. Repeat after me. Air.
R
Mm.
S
Yes. Right.
it
Now I understood. You were switching off your camera and you were not here. You are not there in the class. That's why you are reading like it. If you were in the class, you would have get it. Okay, Viraj. Viraj, you were there in the class.
Yes, ma'am.
Then why you are reading like it? Huh? Not even resemble to that sound. That is te.
T
Next alphabet. Next one.
U
EU.
U
EU.
U
Okay, next after that.
V
Way, right. Next. After that,
W.
W, say. Viraj from, this is class 5C, right? Okay. We are W,
W. X.
W,
W.
W. Then
W.
X,
X.
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 Then next letter,
A.
next letter Y. How will you read? Y,
X.
Y.
X.
Not Igress. Y.
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 Okay. Next one. Z.
A. X.
Z.
X.
Okay, Viraj, we are just starting the beginning, basic one. If you're not there in the class, then how will you learn the pronunciations? This is a new language, right? If your base will not be strong, then how will you learn the grammar parts, new words? How will you able to read? So please don't skip the class. Okay.
Ma'am, I'll do that.
Yes. Next, Adinath, you can. Do you have textbook?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Adinath, start from the beginning.
A,
Yes.
B,
Right.
C,
Right.
D,
Right.
U,
U. Right.
F,
F. Right.
J,
J.
J,
Right.
H,
Okay, good. Enough, Adinath. Next, Parvati. Yes. Yeah, you can read. Did you read the alphabets? Parvati is stuck. Sapna?
Ma'am.
Yes, you can read. Start with the alphabet I. E.
E.
Hmm.
G.
Hmm.
K.
Right.
L.
Right.
M.
Right.
N.
Uh.
O.
Hmm.
P.
Enough. Good. Very good. Next, Arfan. Arfan. From starting from Ku.
O. O.
Hmm?
R.
Not air.
R.
Air.
R.
Right.
S.
Yes. Right.
T.
Te.
A.
Hmm?
U.
Right.
V.
Right.
W.
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 Right.
X.
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 Hmm?
Y.
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 Hmm? Z.
Z.
Z. Okay. Okay, nice. So listen, I'll be sending one audio clip. I'll send one
Ma'am,
audio
this
clip with the
page-
pronunciation. Yes, page number 19. Page number 19. Okay, I will send you one audio clip with the pronunciations of the sound alphabets. You can practice with that. Now, please don't go. I'll need to take an attendance. Please wait. Oh, okay. Next, who is going to read next? Eva. Eva, yes, you can read now.
From
Start from the beginning, Eva.
A.
Ah,
O.
yes.
D.
Right.
T.
Right.
D.
Right.
U.
Right. No, it is not U as Malayalam letter. It is not U. Yes. You have to push out air from your throat. Okay.
F.
Mm.
J.
J.
Z.
J.
J.
Right. Okay. Next, who's going to? Okay, listen. We'll continue in the next class. It's almost time. So I'm winding it up. Please do practice with the audio clip I'll be sending to you in your WhatsApp group. Okay.
Ma'am, I didn't read.
I know everyone didn't get the chance, but what to do? It's already time. The next class students will be waiting for the next class.
Ma'am, I did not read it.
I know, dear. I know. You keep practicing it with the audio file.
What will tell in French?
Okay. To say goodbye, we'll say au revoir.
Au revoir, madame.
Au revoir, not madame. How would I teach? Madame. Au revoir, madame.
Au revoir, madame.
Au revoir, au revoir.
Au revoir, madame.
Au revoir.
There